How to change your username on Grab application. Are guys facing issues to change your username on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now tap on this pencil icon over your profile. After you click on it, now tap on your username, delete it, and write down the username according to your preference. After you write it down, hit the save button. And as you guys can see, our username has been changed. That's it guys, that's how we're gonna change our username on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.